Back to my channel Carry Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about another level of examination which is conducted for getting admission in the abroad, mainly in US and Canada, which is American College Test. It is a scholarship or you can say admission test which is conducted for getting admission in the different courses in US and Canada based universities. It is a very standardized exam and I am going to talk about this. So let's begin this video without any delay. And if you are new, then subscribe to our channel and also share it to your friends and family. I am talking about ACT examination, that is American College Test. It is a US based examination in which if you appear, then you can take admission in foreign based universities like USA and Canada. A number of courses you can do in various humanities like arts, commerce and science and humanities department, and many other departments you can do your courses like MBA, MTech and a lot of courses. And the eligibility is just that you have to be above 13 plus years old, and then after you can apply at this examination. After qualifying this exam, you can get admission in 4 years degree or bachelor program offered at the different universities in USA and Canada, and also 200 plus universities accept this. Eligibility for getting sitting in this examination is just you have to be 13 plus years old and you can appear at this examination. There is also a high fee for this examination because you have to pay in dollar based fee, that is 7,700 you can say, and more than that. And this exam is conducted every month you can say, and I think more than 15 times once in a year. And after qualifying this examination, you get a scholarship and admission in the abroad universities and also get a number of courses in different departments. A student studying in the high school can also apply above the 13 years age. Actually there is no upper limit for the age, and you can apply for any graduate courses, non-graduate, undergraduate and also a lot of courses. Actually it is not the compulsory exam, but it is an exam which if you qualify then you can apply on the basis of that examination. And after qualifying this examination, you can do a lot of courses in arts, commerce and sciences in graduation and non-graduation, and after graduation also like MTech, MBA, BSc, BBA and a lot of courses, different type of. And actually foreign universities like Harvard, Cambridge and these universities, there is almost every branch and every courses, so you can do any courses after qualifying this examination at the earlier stage. So first of all I am talking about that what is the basic difference. Actually you get the exposure there in a foreign university, research based technologies and very well updated technologies used, and you can explore yourself, your knowledge up to a level which is globally accepted. That's why doing any course from those universities is very useful and very socially you are contributing. That's why these courses at that level by qualifying this examination is very important. After qualifying this examination, you will also have to appear at the language proficiency test. I have already talked about TOEFL examination, TOEFL earlier videos. You can also check it in the description box. And it is also because you have to appear in those universities with their language, that is English, which is very compulsory because you will have to follow their curriculum in their language. That's why it is very important for you to qualify that TOEFL exam as well. So now let's talk about the examination pattern. That is approx 2 million students appear at this examination and a number of only candidates gets qualified. And now I am talking about the subjects or the syllabus you can say, that is mathematics paper, MCQ. There is no negative marking in that. There is 4 sections. First one is mathematics, then after science, physics, chemistry, maths, physics, chemistry and biology. After that there is also the subject of another section is reading section. Along with the English you will have to be very much grammatical knowledge, that is very much required, and language grasp on the language in the English. Then after there is also writing option. There is section which is writing and essay which is an optional subject you can choose to show your writing skill. And the marking scheme of this examination is from 1 to 36 level. That is you will have to qualify and get in this level, that is approx 30 is good score and you can get admission on the basis of this cutoff, or you can say marks you attend in this examination. So from last videos I am making videos on the how can you get admission in the global institute and global universities which is very much fluent, or you can say high technological universities, and I am also making videos on their entrance examination, and it was among that ACT, American College Test. So comment below how you like the video and also share to your friends and family if you like it, and I will also make another videos on this type of examination in the coming sessions. Thanks for watching the video guys, and see you in the next session. All the best. Thanks for watching.